Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows and Doors, and welcome to another episode of Know Your Window. When looking for a sliding patio door for your home, you want a product that's energy efficient, easy to operate, and aesthetically pleasing. In short, you want something like MI Windows V2000. A two-panel sliding patio door, the V2000 is a perfect selection for any new construction or replacement project. Energy efficient, easy to operate, aesthetically pleasing, and compatible with our entire line of V2000 series windows, the V2000 sliding patio door is built for the 21st century. The first thing you'll notice about this top-notch vinyl door is its advanced roller system. Thanks to its tandem ball-bearing rollers, the V2000 opens and closes with ease, making it simple to operate for the whole family. And that's just the beginning of the utilitarian advantages of the V2000. This sliding patio door comes standard with tempered glass, which is 4 times stronger than non-tempered glass. What's more, the V2000 has an option for a key lock handle for added security. While we're on the subject of the V2000's functionality, we have to mention its superior energy efficiency. The V2000 comes standard with the warm edge spacer system, enabling the interior of your home to remain comfortable in any season. Plus, you can upgrade its energy performance with options for low E glass coatings and gas between the panes. The V2000 also has numerous aesthetic options. If you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, the V2000 sliding patio door is available in 8 exterior colors: white, almond, clay, black, forest green, cream, cocoa, and bronze. We can also do an interior match if you choose white, almond, or clay. You'll have plenty of color selections on your hardware finish too. The door handle on the V2000 is available in white, almond, clay, silver, and black. Between these color choices and the ones on the door frame, you're sure to find a combination that complements your home's architectural style and interior design. And like the other products that are part of the V2000 series, the V2000 sliding patio door has a multitude of other aesthetic options. Whether you're looking for grids, slides between the glass, or some other aesthetic look, you'll find it with the V2000. The V2000 sliding patio door is ideal for any new construction or replacement project. To learn how the V2000 can enhance your home, talk to your local MI Windows representative or authorized MI Windows dealer. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.